Hi, it's your girl Shan Booty Boudram in collaboration with Foxy to bring you guys lies you tell about the female body.
A lie that I've heard often is that women we naturally just don't grow hair in certain places. When the truth is that we don't shave unless we absolutely have to. If there is no guaranteed sex on tonight, oh, I will remain furry. Plus, it's too cold to be, just out here just bare. I may be sexless, I may be baeless, but I am what? Warm. Like, I've heard women say things like they just don't grow hair on their legs, they just don't grow hair on their arms, they just don't grow hair on their puss, like just all the places where you wouldn't want hair. How convenient it is that you just naturally don't grow hair there. Girl, you tried it.
Lie that stretch marks and cellulite and excess fat are something that we're supposed to be ashamed of or cover up or try to correct, when 85% of women have to deal with that shit because it is a normal part of being a woman. Men, y'all's body fat is anywhere from 10 to 15%. Ours is 20%. And why is that? Because we need to store food to feed another life. That's our job, okay? So we gotta store up from the jump, from puberty, so that one day we can grow your ass into a capable human being. So I don't want to talk about anymore how we can fix cellulite or stretch marks or how we can be thinner. I want to talk about how you can fix your damn attitude.
Another lie that women tell is that they just stay wet for you. Like all day long, whenever you want it, we are just prepared, nice and lubricated, and here for you to slip and slide up and down our canals. Unless you're having amazing sex literally all day long, she is not gonna be wet all day. That is a lie, and you can blame Nicki Minaj. At some point, she's gonna dry up. To me, it doesn't even sound sanitary. Like, girl, if you're wet all day long, like, do you need a pad? Like, what's going on? It also just sounds very annoying. Like, I can't be wet all day. I have shit to do. I can't just be out here just slippery.
Lie that the female body is confusing. Oh, it's so confusing. I don't understand. I don't get. What is so damn confusing? 2 testicles, 2 ovaries, 1 clitoris, 1 penis head, 1 prostate, 1 G-spot. We are anatomically twins. It's the same thing. When we are little tiny babies and zygotes, what happens is that we all develop as women, and then men have slight adjustments made to make them into a man. We're made of the same parts. So let's stop with this whole, like, open your damn eyes. It's pretty clear. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I actually hit up Foxy to do this collaboration when I saw her video about pussy lies, and I was like, I want to do one just like that for female body lies, and this collaboration was kind of born out of her original idea, so go and check out her page and her channel. And also, as a bonus, we did a collaboration video on her channel as well, so more reason to go over there and then come back here. But then, like, stay at both, because you can share. We can share, but, I'm a little bit selfish, but go and come back. That's all I'm saying.